today I'm going to show you how to make a really easy tuna and egg salad using all of these ingredients, and I've put together a blog post with the full step-by-step instructions, so you can click the link down below, pin, bookmark, save for whenever you want to make this easy, yum, tuna and egg salad. So let's chat through the ingredients quickly and then put it all together. We've got 4 hard-boiled eggs, a small tin of tuna, some sour cream, salt, paprika, and some real mayonnaise, and we're going to pop it all together and make a real yum egg salad. Start by peeling and slicing up your hard-boiled eggs. I've got my 4 I'm using. You can always use more, less, however many you want to make. If you're making it just for yourself, 1 or 2 hard-boiled eggs. I'm making this for the family, so I thought 4 would do perfectly. So I've chopped them up using my nifty little egg slicer, and now we're going to add more ingredients. And next we'll add in our tuna. I added in that whole small tin, but add as much or as little as you like. As I was adding it, I thought, oh, maybe I'll do half, but I went for the whole thing. I love tuna mayo, egg mayo. This is like a combination of all the goodies. So we've got those 2 ingredients in, and now we'll just give them a nice mix through and start getting them combined. I kind of just use knife and fork and just cut at it and just go at all different angles and just get the pieces as chopped and small and incorporated as possible. And now we will add our creaminess. I went for 2 tablespoons each of sour cream and mayo, and we're going to mix that through and get it all nice and creamy now. And it's all starting to come together. At this point we're going to add some seasoning, so it's up to you if you want salt, pepper, a bit of mustard powder, which usually goes nicely in this kind of a dish, but I'm going to go with paprika. As I mentioned earlier, I just love a little bit of smokiness that it brings, and a bit of salt. I'm a fan of just salt with dishes, so bit of salt, bit of paprika, and we're done. And there you go, it's topped with a bit of paprika, which I'll mix through, and I like to pop it in the fridge for a couple of hours, let all those flavors marinate a bit together, and just develops into the most beautiful egg salad with tuna. And it's one of those yum dishes that you can enjoy as a bit of a breakfast side, a snack, lunch, dinner, anything you like. You could definitely have it on toast if you're a bread fan, have it on some toast, or have it on some savory waffles as a bit of a tuna kind of treat, or even fill some lettuce cups or just some spinach and have a bit of a salad with it. There are so many options, but it's just a yum, easy, low carb, high fat egg tuna salad dip kind of thing. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and leave a comment too. Let me know if you've tried it, any adaptations you've made, and remember to check down below for the link to the blog post with the full step-by-step instructions, as well as loads of variations too. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.